Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox update. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox update, you can click here on settings. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to this window for Roblox, you will find it here. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click storage. Here in this page, we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Roblox and you can update your application. And if that's not working with you, you can remove your, or you can install your application and then you can update, you can, install your application again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.